In tonight's Ask Anthony, I'm getting answers for customers of a local HVAC company that suddenly closed without notice, and no one seems to know why tonight. Jones says, I purchased a $1,500 extended service warranty when I bought the air conditioner from Griffin. I would like that money refunded. And this next message that we have here, this is from Jackie. She said, my husband and I just saw your story about the closing of Griffin Services. We were blown away as we had no idea that they shut their doors. We had just renewed our annual service contract with them for $299 on August 31st. So what can we do? Well, let's talk about what you need to know to get your money back and the best way to handle your future service needs.
This one cools the rest of the house.
Kevin Glover recently purchased a brand new air conditioner for his St. Johns County home. And unfortunately, there were some problems along with some plumbing issues at his house. So he called Griffin Service.
And normally they're very good about calling back.
But this time, no one returned his calls, so he started asking questions.
When I kind of point blank asked the lady, hey, are you the answering service versus the office? And she said, yes. I said, what's going on? She said, they abruptly closed this morning.
Glover was shocked because Griffin had been his company of choice for years.
So this is their warranty.
He made an appointment with Griffin last Monday, but Wednesday morning no one showed up. When he called their phone number, this is the recording he heard on the other end.
Thank you for calling Griffin Service. We are no longer in operation. If you have any questions, please reach out to customer service at griffinservice.com.
Now he's wondering what this means for the brand new air conditioner he purchased 3 weeks ago and his future service contracts.
I understand businesses close, that happens all the time, but this one just seems, I mean, they're a reputable, well-known, well-liked business, right? So what happened?
That's a good question. Griffin has been around since 2016. However, it appears the business was sold a couple of years ago. We went by Griffin's last known address on Old Dixie Highway in Ponte Vedra Beach. The service trucks were parked outside and the front door was open, but no one was in the front office or responded to us when we walked inside. Also, we noticed a for lease sign outside the building. I emailed customer service with questions and received a response that said, quote, all monthly reoccurring memberships are no longer charged and paid in full memberships will be refunded on a prorated basis. I did not receive a response on why the business closed its doors. And I guess you all weren't aware either that the business had
Correct.
closed.
We just found out like 2 or 3 days ago.
Tom Stevens is the president and CEO for the Better Business Bureau in Northeast Florida. Griffin Service has a high number of positive reviews on Google. However, on the BBB's website, the company barely has 2 stars out of an average of 12 customer reviews.
It's kind of weird,
It is.
It's a little strange because they've been in business a while and they've done pretty well, I thought.
Stevens says warranty issues will have to be addressed with the equipment manufacturer. His suggestion is to look for other HVAC companies that handle the same brands and contact them for service.
If you pay by credit card, which of course is what we would recommend, you have the ability to go back to the credit card processor and dispute the charge and get your money back that way. If you pay cash or check, then you're going to either have to depend on them or file a claim in small claims court and basically sue them to get the money back.
So as long as the company hasn't filed for bankruptcy, they are required to issue customers some type of refund. Now at this time, it doesn't appear Griffin has filed for bankruptcy. But here's some good news tonight. I spoke with Brent Marler, president of J&W Heating and Air. They have been in business since 1966 and have been longtime supporters of our Stuff the Bus initiative. This is his offer tonight to Griffin customers.
So Anthony, we're offering for all of Griffin's customers the same thing that we give our customers that install new air conditioners, our platinum maintenance agreement, to hopefully help them in their time of need when they have any issues with their air conditioning. So anybody that's been affected by Griffin closing their doors, we are willing to offer our platinum service agreement. And that includes 2 visits to come out to your home, make sure everything's functioning for the summer and the winter.
So I'm going to post all that information about J&W, also those email addresses that you can email to get refunds if you are a Griffin customer. That you can find all of that later tonight under the Ask Anthony section of our website, firstcoastnews.com. And remember, you can always email me at askanthony@firstcoastnews.com.